Hey guys, it's Nick Hoffman here. We're over here at the bridal shop. We just started work today. So these guys are stripping off to the deck, tearing 3-4 layers off. So they're tearing all that off down to deck. They're gonna put down a ISO board, 6 inches total, to bring it to city inspection code requirements. Then once they do that, they'll put down a 1/4 inch DensDeck and then a 60 mil fully adhered TPO system. We're a day ahead of schedule over here at the bridal shop. Got all of our TPO rolled out, glued down, all of our seams welded. Now we're just working on the final details. Got all of our curbs built up 6 inches, and now we're just making sure all of our penetrations are sealed up and welded tightly.